Hello and welcome to the channel. If you love creative handmade designs, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Today's video is all about crochet wall hangings, and we are showing only the most beautiful, tiny, and easy to make designs patterns for your walls. Let's start with the classic boho style wall hangings. These are made with neutral shades like cream, beige, and white, often with tassels or fingers. Fringe. They look amazing in living rooms, bathrooms, and bedrooms or hallways. Some patterns use a simple triangle or semicircle base with rows of double crochet and chain spaces. If you love minimal vibes, these are perfect match. Next to the colorful mandala or floral wall hangings, these patterns are round layer with petals or lace style designs and often use bright festive yawn colors. You will see beautiful designs made with grainy squares joined together a circular motify stretch on hoops. They add a vibrant touch to any space, perfect for festivals, kids' rooms, or creative corners. We also have themed wall hangings like stars, hearts, birds, or moon shapes, great for nurseries, garden, craft rooms, or gifting. Some of the pet include text or alphabets crochet into the design using tapestry crochet. Others use 3D elements like crochet flowers or leaves hanging from wooden sticks or rings. Now let's talk about mini wall hangings, small, quick, and perfect for beginner projects. These include tiny patterns like single motifs with a tassel, crochet feathers, or mini coats worked in yarn. They're great for doorknobs, mirrors, or gallery walls. You will also see some amazing geometric patterns using bold color blocks and clean lines. So these were some of the most loved and unique crochet wall hanging designs and patterns. Which one did you like the most? Tell us in the comments. If you want step-by-step tutorial or any pattern shown today, just let us know. We will create if it for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your crochet loving friends. See you next one. Happy crocheting.